Welcome to this quick EasyODM walkthrough. Today we'll show you how to set up interlayer segmentation with just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, in the Neural Network Models tab, click Select Directory. Choose the folder containing the interlayer segmentation model. Make sure the selected folder contains the correct files needed for segmentation. Once selected, click Add Model under the Segmentation Model section and select the default interlayer segmentation model. Next, go to the File Iteration window and click Open Directory. Select the folder containing the images for interlayer detection, ensuring that the images are clear and correctly formatted for accurate processing. As soon as the images are loaded, the inspection process begins automatically. The detected interlayers are displayed on the screen, and you can hover over them to see size information. To analyze more images, simply click the Next button in the File Iteration window to move through them effortlessly. And that's it! EasyODM makes interlayer segmentation fast and effortless. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.